So it is a studio apartment. So as soon as you come in, you have your light switch right here. And then you have a closet. As you can see, it's a super tiny closet, but you do have some space here, some hangers, got my shoes. And then you have some space for an ironing board, an iron, etc., and a mirror. And you have your bathroom. So for the bathroom, there's this little toilet thing. Like, I honestly have no idea what that's for. And a little basin, I guess, for children, if you have them. Some tissue. I have a lot of my products up here on this shelf. You have like a little tiny mirror. Just a sink. And there's some stuff in here. So that's nice. There's a shower. Got some towels and a bathing suit. Have some space, some storage space right here. You have your fire extinguisher. You have your like electric stove going on. Then you got your oven. A microwave, a toaster, and a hot water kettle, an electric kettle. Then you have your washing machine, a sink area, and different cabinets. So this Airbnb did come with some dishes, which is cool. So some pots and pans. Some coffee mugs and wine glasses, which where I'm getting wine, I have no idea. And it did not come with these seasonings, which I was pretty annoyed about. And if you move right over, you have the fridge right here. Sure, this fridge is super empty. Oh, okay. Got some food in here. I'll be cooking or whatever. Next to the fridge, I have my dinner table. And then next to the dinner table, there's this little shelf partition, which is pretty cute. I guess it sections off the area. And then right next to the kitchen table, you have your living room area. So I have some books, my laptop, couch, have some paintings over here. And then directly across, you have your television with a cute little plant. The Airbnb is also pretty nicely decorated. You have some mirrors here for decoration. And then right next to the couch, you have the bed. I actually love this bed. It's pretty freaking comfortable and it's cute too. Have my little lamp, a mirror, which this is great because so many Airbnbs do not have adequate mirrors. So this is awesome to have a full length mirror. Have a little shelf with my speaker on it. And then you have these curtains that are, I would say, semi blackout. Then I have my favorite part of the Airbnb, this large balcony, which I come out here every morning and low-key every night, and I sit right here, eat my breakfast, and do work and chill out. This is my view. Like, you cannot say Dubai is not just like a stunning city. Pretty much every day I take a couple of walks around this, and you can't even see the whole you can't see the entire water space because it goes so far, but I took a couple of walks just to get my exercise in.